Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check software version for your headphones JBL TUNE 770. You have to start by open JBL Headphones application. Of course, your headphone should be connected with the app, and then it will open for you Headphones menu. If it opened for you the main menu, you can just tap at your headphones here and you will be here. Okay, now you need to scroll down, and at the bottom we have support. Tap at this line, and right here we have your current software version, so you can check it here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!